Today we are going to make $150 from this 208. So this is our 10-day challenge. Every day, $150 in the morning, $150 in the evening. So let's get started. Like, first of all, creating our bot. So after you log in, you'll have Deriv bot here. Just click open. So then click login. So upon clicking login, just click on quick strategy. So I want us to create a bot here. Use the options one. Just click Martingale. The asset here will be volatility 101S. This is the default. You could change to anything. We always start with 10 1S index. Contract type, I want rise and fall. The purchase condition, for now it can remain on rise, and then the initial stake we use 40. The ticks we use 1. So if you're doing manual trading, you could use seconds, minutes, hours, or days. But for us, because we're using a bot, we'll use 1 tick. The profit threshold is 70, because if we go for 2 runs with 40, we'll make 38 point something. 38 times 2 is 76. So in 2 runs, if we have made 2 wins, we make the money. So the loss is 208. 108. And the size, this is a martingale. So as you can see here, the size used to multiply the stake after losing trade for the next trade. So with 2, it means that if we're trading with 40 and we lose, we'll trade with 80. So that's what it means. Then just click load. So once that has been successfully imported, now let's open where we're going to analyze the market. So our bot is on the left hand side, and then we'll open trading view Deriv on the right hand side, this first one. So we're gonna close the watch list just by dragging it. You can drag the bot a bit more, and then here is where you get the derived indexes. So just delete that and put 101S like we have on the bot. Change the time frame from 24 hours to 1 minute. The candlesticks can remain the same, but you can use whichever you like. And then on indicators, we will use William Fractal. So that's the first one. We'll use a moving average, and we will use MACD. So like this one, before we miss it, let's put a strong fall here. Okay. So you just need 2 runs. We put this countdown to bar close. And that's it. So the reason I took the trades quite fast is because the conditions had already been met. So you can see, let me just show you, come to text here. So you can first of all put a text. Doesn't fall. So what I am looking for, or the conditions I'm looking for, is 1, I need a fractal that happened within the same time. So you see the fractal happened here, and then there was the adjoining at the bottom here. So always make sure those conditions are met, and then the MACD must show strong fall. Strong fall if you're going for a fall, or strong rise if you're going for a rise. So that's up to you. So we've already done our first 2 runs. So we're looking for another 2 runs, and then I think we will be done with the trades for the day, and we'll have made our 150. So let's clean up the chart and just look for another market. want to remove this. So just click on it and we can bin it from here. Click on it and we can bin it from there. So this market has changed. We can reset our bot here, then come back to here. So let's hunt for another market. Let's say 25 on S. 25 on, yeah, this gonna be a fall. 25 on S. Yes. So you only need two. That's the first one. And if this wins, we are done. So let's say, yeah, and that is it. So also for this one, the reason I entered is because you can see it's going down and the moving average is also pointing down and the adjoining has happened and the MACD had already started showing. This is a fake out. This, trust me, this is a fake out. That fractal is gonna disappear. Let's just watch this market and then see what happens. That fractal is gonna disappear. So you have to understand. I told you, the fractal has happened at the top here. So this was just a short rise, and then let's see, you can get a trend line. So you can see came up to there, came down, and then they went up. Sorry, and then came down. They went up again here, and then came down. So this is just an accumulation of the market, but it was a nice one. This is why I always tell you, put a close stop loss. No, put a far away stop loss, but a close take profit. Because a close take profit means you make your money faster. In 2 or 3 runs, you've made your money. So it protects you from over trading and it protects you from the greed of the market. Because like this market, let me just delete this to reduce the noise, and you just have picked the trend line. So let's just remove it. So you click it and then delete. This is a market that we could have kept trading, but I didn't, because for me I only need 2 runs, and with my 2 runs I'm able to make my $70, and then I do another one. So in 2 sessions I am able to make $150. $150. So for any of your deposits, make sure to use moneyhgg.com. So moneyhgg.com is the web app, but you can always add it as an icon to your phone by clicking these ellipses here on your phone, and you'll see add to desktop, and then you can click install. Or you could download the mobile app from profits.moneyhgg.com. So let's come back to this. As I was saying, the conditions that you need to look for, let's go for conditions. You can lock it here, and then okay. All right, no, 10 is too small. 12. So the conditions we need to look for are as follows. 1, MACD to show strong rise or fall. 2, a William fractal, or a candlestick pattern. Three, the moving average could look down, but anytime you see the market downtrending, the moving average will look down. So the moving average looking down or up, depending on whichever trade you want to pick. So if these three conditions are met, you can take your trade. So like here, we had the fractal. No, the fractal took a bit of time, but we had this one rise, and then this candle had already completed. So I know that this is a strong downtrend, and the connection had happened here, and these were strong red candles or strong downtrend histograms. So that's why we entered. And for us, we just need two movements in our direction. So we just need, once the bot enters, fall one. Like this one, you see, we entered at 617971.16. We exit at 617967.73. You see, this is 71, this is 67, so you win. This one we entered at 618011.13. We exit at 8016, so this is higher, so we lose. This one we enter at 617970.70. We exit at 617956.22. So the reason I am doing this challenge is to show you that even on a small account, I just have $208. $208 could be around 25,000 max. And I have already broken even, because yesterday we traded twice. We made 151 in the morning, 152 in the evening. Today is the next day in the morning. We've made, let's do the math. Let's do the math quickly. Let's do the math quickly. So I show you what consistency can do for you. Consistency can take you out of those problems that you think are so huge, because you just need to be making a small amount every day. Be satisfied with it, then try the next day. Like that, like that, like that. And so long as you have the discipline, you're gonna make money. 355.38 minus 208. So we have made 147.38. So that 147.38, I'm going to withdraw all of it and leave 208 as it was. And then in the evening, again, we'll do it again, just like that. So just keep the consistency. If you do this for 10 days consecutively, you've already made some good amount of money. So look at it on a day-to-day perspective. Don't look at it on, like, I've just made 150 and there are people who are making $1,000. Forget those who are making $1,000. For you, just meet your goals, meet your targets, and then over time, I think you guys have seen me with a $6,000 account, 2,000, 3,000. Right now, you're seeing me with a $300 account. So any account size can do it for you. Any account size can do it for you, but you need discipline and consistency, and you need to make sure that you're following your strategy or your method or your system, because this is a system. See a fractal, see a strong MACD, and then either a candlestick pattern, and go in for maximum of 3 runs. Most probability is you're gonna win, and then wait for the next one and the next one. And that's how easily you'll be able to make your money. The larger your account, if I had $1,000 account here, I would be using probably 100, and that would mean we make the money faster. But I just wanted to show you that it's possible with even a small account. So let's meet in the evening. We do this again, make more money tomorrow again, consecutive 10 days consecutive, and then we close it up at that. Have a good day and enjoy yourselves.